Installation of a S&S reed valve breather. First you remove the old breather. Insert the new breather. And that's all there is to it. Now, they tell you to put a little grease on the spring here in the front. Let's see if I can get that little spring right there. Hard to see. Anyways, you take that little spring, and I put a assembly lube on that little spring. But I will put some oil over top of that reed valve, and I will turn it around the circle. Anyways, nobody showed anything about installation on this, so that's going to be it. Thanks for watching.